do? Boy Damien, back at it again. Yes, sir. So we got that Mustang up and running. It's got a full tank of gas. Everything's back on it. And I'm here at a empty parking lot. I'm at an empty parking lot now, and I'm about to drive this mofo straight, and I'm gonna learn how to drive manual, man. I don't got nobody teaching me. I'm literally doing this solo dolo. But here's the Mustang. I gotta get it painted. I'm gonna get it painted. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be locked up for the winter. So probably, later March area is when I'm gonna try to get it painted. But I just gotta get it painted. I got some rims that I've been looking at that I'll probably show y'all once I get that going. I gotta get the front windshield painted. Well, not painted. I don't know how you paint a front windshield, but from what y'all see in the first time, gotta get that front windshield going. I got the front bumper going. Tell me if y'all like that crowd hood. I said crowd hood. Crowd hood. And then I just gotta get that front bumper painted too. So I mean, all this bad boy needs now is just some rims, paint, and the front windshield. Now I hope this isn't a tick. It sounds like it. That sounds like a Hemi tick. But that's how it goes. We're gonna figure it out, see what's going on with it. Figure it out. I'm kind of, I don't feel like popping the hood, because if I pop the hood, that's mad work to get it back on. Nah, let's pop the hood. So, and I gotta get the fraud. That's another thing. The front door don't close all the way. Like, I think the hinge is like kind of off, so I kind of gotta like push it in and fucking slam it, but I don't feel like slamming it. But yeah, I got that going on. But oh, this motherfucker is moving. I don't got the e-brake on. Hold up. You see we rolling. Hold on. Hold on. Hold up. Hold up. That motherfucker's finna roll it right. That's how you can tell. That's how you know I'm new to this manual stuff. Yeah. It sounds like it's coming from the right side. That sounds like it's coming from the right side. I can't hear it on the left, but yeah, I gotta do that. I don't know what's going on with this. Gotta push that down. But yeah, I gotta get that done. But damn, man, I don't know what's going on. I really hope it's not the Hemi tick. I mean, I'm getting an idle issue, but that idle issue is a whole lot different. I think. Maybe it's not. But yeah, see. Hold on. This bad boy old. I know. I gotta fucking hug it so it don't go out. But alright. I wonder if I can show y'all a little quick POV. I don't know if y'all can see me if I do it like this. Hold on. Hold up. Let me make something out. Make something out of nothing. That's what I do. I make something out of nothing. Alright. Hopefully y'all can see your boy. I keep the window open just for the door. But alright. So this is for you guys that's also learning manual. Don't mind the car, it's bummy. I didn't clean the interior when I bought it. I'm still trying to learn before I make sure I even want to fully commit with this investment. Well, I don't know if you call this an investment or this is just a fucking toy to have fun with. But, so, straight to the point. Make sure it's in neutral. I hope I did before I started it. But I don't think I never did not start it. Alright, so, my biggest thing is getting out of first. It's just finding that grab point, which is right there. Okay, yeah, well, we're just gonna ignore that first one. And try that again. I'm gonna bust the Yui. I don't know who car this is, but hey man, you about to see your boy learn that manual Daniel. He look like he gonna break that butt. That brother sweating. Yeah, I gotta get rid of this too. That shit ugly. That motherfucker ugly. And then another thing is when I turn all the way to the left, I get a grinding noise. I don't know if that's something you guys know of, but maybe you guys might be able to help me. So neutral, biting point, just give it gas. Once we get moving, let go. Switch it to second, find biting point, go. That's the biggest part. It's like, I mean, everybody's saying that, the hardest part, is getting out of first, and I definitely agree with that. Cause, god damn, is that motherfucker hard. Didn't slap it in neutral. That's another thing I gotta get used to coming from an automatic, is slapping that motherfucker in. Yep, stalled. Fuck. Another thing is just getting that bitch, excuse my language, getting that motherfucker out of first. Biting point, there it is. Yep. There it goes again. Fucking A. Okay, so neutral, slapping first. Biting point. What is up with that part? It's like, I don't know if I'm not at the actual bite point and I'm not actually doing it. I don't know, man. Y'all learning with me. Y'all gonna see my failures. That's one thing I'm not gonna freaking hide, is that I fail. And I fail a lot, but it's just me on my own failing, so nobody really sees it until now. I don't know if I gotta fucking get this whole thing like inspected. But it's not hard to drive manual, dog. It's just getting that bitch out of fucking first. Slap. There you go. I suck. I just gotta learn, man. Well, as you see. Alright. So say I'm coming from a stop sign. Bong, bong, bong. Alright, boom. Time to get that bitch in first. And then find the bite point. Fuck. I gotta give it more gas. I guess that's not what I'm doing. I guess giving it gas is where I'm fucking sucking at right now. Find the biting point. Fuck! Well, good thing this is a beater. Good thing this business is a beater, because I tell you, learning manual on somebody brand new fucking. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a little jerky though. I don't know if that's actually how it's supposed to fucking be, or if that's just like me fucking sucking ass. Slap it in neutral. I keep forgetting that at a break, you gotta slap that mug in neutral first. There's the biting point. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Alright. Well, I'm getting the little hang of it a little bit. So essentially, if you guys can see, so I got my y'all can't see the gears, but the pedal, that sucks. But so essentially, you just slap it in the first, release a little bit, release, find biting point, give it a little gas, feather the gas, go, and then once you get going, you go. But that's all for today, folks. I'ma get this one little clip of me just speeding by, and then I'm out, because it's looking like it's gonna rain and I don't got no windshield wipers, and that's gonna be my ass. So deuces.